Today we've got another drink coming to us from Shaker and Spoon, out of the same box that our last drink came from. It's called Dublin After Dark. So let's see what they say, shall we? Christopher Frierson's magical meditation on the duality of hot and cold awaits with ginger, turmeric, and lemon leading the way. So grab your spirit of choice and settle your mind with a tranquil toddy, or shoot like a star with a rather stimulating sour. It's a little pretentious, but let's go find out if it's any good, shall we?